cases are down over 90%, and deaths are down over 85%.
The latest figures show that more than 140 million Americans have received at least one dose of the vaccine, another milestone in the effort to eradicate the dreaded disease. CDC Director Dr. Rochelle Walensky says that has led to a 30% drop in the number of COVID cases from the last weekly average.
And more importantly, it is a 94% decrease from the peak of COVID-19 cases we reported in January of this year.
Here in New York, Mayor de Blasio says more than half of city residents have been vaccinated, and the number of reported COVID cases has dropped to the lowest levels since the pandemic began.
These are stunning figures. But again, it came down to New Yorkers making a decision to go out and get vaccinated, and their fellow New Yorkers being there for them to help them. That's why it worked.
Despite the encouraging news, Dr. Anthony Fauci, in an interview with Dan Manarino for tomorrow's Pix 11 Morning News, cautions against complacency.
We don't want to declare victory prematurely. We've got to continue to get as many people vaccinated as we possibly can.
Yeah. The bottom line is that if you are unvaccinated, you are still at risk of getting seriously ill or spreading the disease to others.
With those cautions considered and the numbers of new cases dropping, life in New York is continuing to return post-pandemic. The Bitter End, a legendary landmark of Greenwich Village and the oldest rock and roll club in the city, is back in business tonight due to the delight of its loyal customers.
It feels great to be back, you know? The live music, it feels like being alive again.
We're just so ecstatic to be out of the house and to be around people and to hear live music. It's fantastic. New York is coming back.
Sure is. It is good to hear the music again. You know, as part of the effort to get more people vaccinated, the White House today announced that it is launching a month-long initiative that will include providing free drop-in childcare for parents so they can get vaccinated. As well, they're going to extend the hours of local pharmacies to get vaccinated. We're live tonight at the Bitter End in Greenwich Village. Marvin Scott, Pix 11 News.